With all the NFT craze going around, there are so many people around who are feeling left out. If you're also one of them, then you're at the right place. While they might seem to have a difficult process, it's quite easy to generate your own NFT collection for free and make money in the process. You don't need any experience or fancy equipment. Just a few clicks, and you'll be on your way to creating your own digital masterpieces. So, whether you're an artist, a collector, or just someone looking to make a little extra cash, this video is for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join the NFT revolution. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about NFT and all you need to know to get started. So, if you're ready to step into the world of NFT, then keep watching. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Basics of NFTs. Let's start with the basics. Do you really know what NFT is? Well, NFT stands for a non-fungible token, which means that each token is unique and cannot be replaced or exchanged for another token. Think of it like a one-of-a-kind digital collectible, like a rare trading card or a limited edition print. But instead of a physical object, it's a digital file that's stored on the blockchain. Now, the question arises, can't we just copy and paste a digital file? How can it be one of a kind? That's where the blockchain comes in. The blockchain is a digital ledger that keeps track of all transactions, and it's what makes it unique and verifiable. So, how do you get your hands on an NFT? It's pretty simple. You can purchase them on various marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperR. Each platform has its own unique features and perks, so it's worth checking out a few to see which one fits your needs. But be prepared to shell out some serious cash. Some have sold for millions of dollars. But it's not just digital art and collectibles that are being turned into NFTs. Musicians and bands are releasing NFTs for exclusive access to concerts and merchandise. And even sports teams are getting in on the action with NFTs for limited edition collectible cards and experiences. Before we dig into more details, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel on your way out, and to hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. So, what's the appeal of NFTs? For creators, it's a way to monetize their digital work and prove ownership. For collectors, it's the chance to own a unique piece of digital history. And for everyone else, it's just plain cool to own a one-of-a-kind digital asset. But like with any new technology, there are still a lot of unknowns and questions surrounding NFTs. Let's dig into them one by one. How to create your own NFT collection for free. So, how do you create your own NFT collection? Well, first, you'll need to find a platform that allows you to create and mint your own NFTs. There are plenty of free platforms out there, such as OpenSea and Variable. These platforms allow you to create your own digital art, music, or other digital assets and mint them as NFTs. Once you've found a platform, you'll need to create your digital assets. You can use any program or software you're comfortable with, such as Photoshop or Procreate. Just make sure that your digital assets are in a format that the platform can accept, such as PNG or JPG. Now that you've created your digital assets, you'll need to mint them as NFTs. This is the process of creating a unique digital token that represents your digital asset. You'll need to provide some information about your NFT, such as its name and description. And then you're all set. And that's it. Now you have your own NFT collection. You can sell them on the platform, trade them with others, or even use them as a form of digital currency. The possibilities are endless. Tips for researching and selecting digital assets to mint as NFTs. I'll just share with you some tips for researching and selecting digital assets to mint as NFTs. First things first, it's important to understand what type of NFT you want to create. Are you an artist looking to monetize your digital art? Or a musician looking to release limited edition album artwork as NFTs? Knowing your audience and what type of NFT they're looking for will help you make the right choice. Next, Do some research. Check out other NFT marketplaces and see what's selling well. Pay attention to the most popular categories and styles of NFTs, and take note of what is resonating with buyers. When it comes to selecting your digital assets, it's important to choose something that is unique and stands out. This could be a one-of-a-kind piece of digital art or a never-before-released music track. The more unique and special your NFT is, the more likely it is to sell. Another important factor to consider is the quality of your digital asset. Make sure the image or video you want to emit is high resolution and of good quality. No one wants to buy a blurry or low-resolution NFT. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for feedback. Reach out to friends, family, or even other creators in the NFT space and get their thoughts on your digital asset. Their feedback can help you make any necessary adjustments before minting your NFT. So, we come to an important point: strategies for marketing and selling your NFTs. Now, the next step is marketing and selling these NFTs in the perfect way. Well, I've got some strategies for you to try out. Start with creating some killer content. Whether it's a digital painting, a GIF, or a video, it needs to be something that people will want to own. Make sure it's high quality and visually stunning. Next, get your name out there. Share your work on social media, participate in online art communities, and network with other artists. The more people know about you and your work, the more likely they are to buy your NFTs. Another strategy is to offer limited editions. This creates a sense of urgency and exclusivity, making people more likely to buy. You can also offer different tiers of NFTs, like a basic version and a deluxe version, giving people options and increasing the chances that they'll buy. Finally, make sure you're using the right platforms to sell your NFTs. There are a ton of different platforms out there, so do some research and find the one that's right for you. How to make money with NFTs as a beginner. But if you're new to the game, it can be a bit overwhelming to navigate the world of NFTs. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down and make it easy for you to understand. So how can you make money with NFTs? Well, there are a few ways. First, you can create your own digital art or other assets and sell them as NFTs. This can be anything from digital paintings to GIFs, videos, or even tweets. Another way to make money with NFTs is by buying and reselling them. Just like with traditional collectibles, some NFTs can increase in value over time. So if you find a piece of digital art that you think will be valuable in the future, you can buy it and resell it for a profit later on. And lastly, you can make money with NFTs by participating in NFT marketplaces and platforms. These platforms often take a percentage of the sales, so by creating or buying and reselling NFTs on these platforms, you can earn a percentage of that sale. Just make sure that you have a wallet that supports NFTs, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Also, find a reputable NFT marketplace to buy and sell on. And finally, do your research. The NFT market is still relatively new, and it can be easy to get scammed. Should you use a financial advisor? To answer this question, let's first talk about the benefits of using a financial advisor for NFTs. For one, they're experts in the field and can give you valuable insights and advice on the best NFTs to invest in. They can also help you diversify your portfolio and make sure you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. Plus, they can help you navigate the complex world of NFTs, which can be confusing for even the most tech-savvy of us. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. One downside is that financial advisors can be expensive, and you may not have the budget to hire one. Additionally, they may not be as well-versed in NFTs as they are in other investments, so you may not be getting the best advice. And lastly, you may not want to give up control of your investments and want to make your own decisions. So, should you use a financial advisor for NFTs? The answer is, it depends. If you're new to NFTs and want expert advice and guidance, then it may be worth it to hire a financial advisor. But if you're comfortable doing your own research and making your own decisions, then you may not need one. Ultimately, it's up to you and what you feel comfortable with. A key tip for all of you here is that just like with any investment, you need to be patient and disciplined in order to see real returns. It's not going to happen overnight, and you can't just throw your money into any old NFT and expect to be rolling in dough. You need to do your research, understand the market, and be strategic with your purchases. But the good news is that if you're willing to put in the work and be patient, the rewards can be huge. NFTs are a relatively new market, so there's a lot of room for growth and potential profits. So don't get discouraged, stay disciplined, and trust the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of this video. See you in our next one. Happy investing!